Royal Caribbean, well, they gave people 2 weeks notice that their upcoming cruise has been canceled due to an extended dry dock. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, some quick cruise news for you that's going to affect those that are booked on the April 1st sailing of Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Seas. So Royal Caribbean has sent out an email letting passengers know that their April 1st cruise from Port Canaveral heading to Costa Maya and Cozumel, well, it has been canceled due to an extended dry dock. Now, Mariner of the Seas has been dry docked since about the end of February over in Spain. She's having some work done on the pool deck, the water slides. She's getting some new paint. They're doing some work on the propellers, hotel maintenance, and engine room maintenance, and it looks like it's going to take longer than anticipated, and that may have something to do. There's been some striking, some workforce issues over in Spain with the metal workers, and that could be a possible reason for the extension. Royal Caribbean didn't really say, other than it's taking longer than expected, and that is going to force the cancellation. We're continuously working to enhance our ships and the many amenities they have to offer. Mariner of the Seas is currently undergoing dry dock for routine maintenance and exciting, which will require some extra time for these upgrades to be completed. Regrettably, this means our April 1st, 2023 cruise has been canceled. We know this news is disappointing, and we apologize for the impact on your cruise. So that's about a 2-week notice for folks that, were looking forward to their cruise vacation, and it sucks. Anytime a cruise is canceled, it sucks, but I guess it's not like they can just pull the ship right out of dry dock and leave it halfway completed. They have to finish the dry dock repairs, but it still stinks for those that were booked for their cruise. Now, those who were booked on the cruise, they have 2 options that Royal Caribbean's giving to them. One, they can rebook their cruise to a different Royal Caribbean ship. If they book to a ship that costs more, they'll pay the difference. If they go to a booking that costs less, they will receive a refund for the difference. And option number 2 is, of course, a full refund. Now, both options will also come with a 50% future cruise credit that can be used on any cruise prior to April the 1st of 2024. So you got 2 options if you were booked on Mariner of the Seas for April the 1st. Now, according to Royal Caribbean, they should be finished with the dry docking, and Mariner of the Seas should be back in Port Canaveral for the April the 6th sailing. At least that is their current plan and their current timeline. So just wanted to get this information out there. In case you haven't checked your emails, definitely go over, take a look if you're booked on Mariner of the Seas for April the 1st. Take a look at the 2 options that Royal Caribbean is offering, and of course pick the one that works best for you. So hopefully everybody's able to, rebook, find another cruise, something that works good for them, and can get back out there enjoying their cruise vacations. All right, and that's going to be our quick cruise news video for today. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime I put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.